Hi there, this is Christopher Quilty, and I'm going to give you a short lesson on what habitat is. Now, I'm going to talk about habitat from a biology perspective in wildlife management. So, what's the first thing you think of when you think habitat? It sounds like a pretty complicated word, but if we break it down, it's actually quite simple. Pretty much what habitat is where do you live? If you were to talk about myself or you, habitat is Vancouver or any town you're from. It's the buildings, resources, restaurants, everything you need to survive. But if we talk about animals, habitat gets slightly different, especially if you were to compare a fish to a rabbit. For a fish, habitat is the stream, and the resources from there is the water itself and any little bit of food, light, or wind even. Now, if we look at the rabbit, habitat again changes. Now, habitat can be big or small. It really depends on the size of the animal. But let's just think about the rabbit. So a rabbit requires food, water, and shelter. Those are the three big parts of what makes up a habitat. So, if a rabbit can find a place where it has a lot of food, a lot of cover, and access to water, this is the best habitat for it. A joke you could think of is a rabbit's best home would be a farmer's carrot field. It has shade, plenty of food, and access to water. And that's just sort of like a very basic intro to habitat. Habitat can grow exponentially all the way up to an elephant. And you know what? That's what I find exciting. And I hope it inspires you too. Cheers for now.